Hello children, these days we are doing the topic active and passive voice. We know that when the subject is active then it is active voice, and when the subject is passive means not doing any work, then it is passive voice. So yesterday we discussed the change of simple present tense, means when the active voice is in the present tense, then how to make the changes in that. So today we are going to discuss the change in the past tense, means when the active voice is there in the past tense, how to make the change. See, first of all, see number 4 is written on your screen. Simple past. It is clear to you? Simple past. Simple past formation, we know very well that the formation is subject plus second form of the verb and object. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Then when we are going to change the active voice into passive voice, then it is was, were plus past participle, means was, were and third form of the verb will be there in the answer. The subject will change into object, object into subject plus agent by. See the example? Okay, now you are able to see. See number 1. I watered the plants. I watered the plants. I subject, watered verb, the plants object. Now object will change into subject. The plants were watered by me. Was or were as per the subject. Was or were as per the subject. If the subject is singular, then it is singular verb, and if the subject is plural, then it is plural verb. The plants were watered by me. Now see second one. We shut the gates. We shut the gates. The gates were shut by us. The gates were shut by us. Third one, active voice. I supported her. I supported her. She was supported by me. She was supported by me. Now see exercise number 80 on the basis of this simple past. We bought a color TV set. We bought a color TV set. So let us change it. A color TV set was bought by us. A color TV set was bought by us. By, bought. The police searched his house. The police searched his house. So his house was searched by the police. I heard Mukesh once. Mukesh was heard once by me. The driver stopped the car. The car was stopped by the driver. You guessed the right answer. The right answer was guessed by you. I read a touching story. A touching story was read by me. He supported his friends. His friends were supported by him. She ate nothing. Nothing was eaten by her. And I wrote 10 sentences. 10 sentences were written by me. Okay, now see the next one. It's past continuous. See, it's past continuous. In past continuous, when we will change the active into passive, then was, were plus being plus past participle. As we have done in present continuous, is MR plus being plus past participle. Similarly here also. Was were plus being plus past participle. She was watching a TV program. A TV program was being watched by her. I was writing an essay. An essay was being written by me. The principal was addressing the teachers. The teachers were being addressed by the principal. Now see exercise. See here on the top, exercise first number. I was taking coffee. Coffee was being taken by me. Second number, the carpenter was making a table. A table was being made by the carpenter. He was solving a sum. A sum was being solved by him. In this way, you are able to solve this exercise. And now see number 6, it is past perfect. When past perfect is there, then it is had plus been plus past participle. Had plus been plus third form of the verb. They had locked the room. The rooms had been locked by them. She had cooked some dishes. Some dishes had been cooked by her. The farmers had already reaped the crops. The crops had already been reaped by the farmers. The driver had already sounded the horn. The horn had already been sounded by the driver. They had boiled the water. The water had been boiled by them. Okay. Now see the next also. It is simple future. Now we are going to discuss about the simple future. See number 7, it is written. Number 7, simple future. In simple future tense, you see shall plus be will or shall plus be plus past participle. See example on the top. I shall spend all the money. So all the money will be spent by me. All the money will be spent by me. His parents will send him to a good school. He will be sent to a good school by his parents. Now see example. I shall clear my accounts. My accounts will be cleared by me. The sweeper will sweep all the rooms. All the rooms will be swept by the sweeper. She will prepare tea. Tea will be prepared by her. I will play the next game. The next game will be played by me. And we shall dry the wet clothes. The wet clothes will be dried by us. Okay. Now see future perfect. In future perfect, it is will, shall plus have plus been plus past participle. See example. I shall have completed this work. Future perfect. See, I shall have completed this work. So this work will have been completed by me. She will have fed these students. These children will have been fed by her. Now see the exercise also. It is 84. I shall have seen a new picture. A new picture will have been seen by me. The singer will have cleared his throat. His throat has been cleared by the singer. Will have been cleared by the singer. Now third, the referee will have blown the whistle. The whistle will have been blown by the referee. They will have arranged a mango party. A mango party will have been arranged by them. And the last one, the wrestler will have missed his body. His body will have been massaged by the wrestler. So it's exercise 84 and we have discussed the past and future tenses both. So I hope you are able to solve the exercises on the basis of the tenses now. It is simple present or present continuous, perfect, similarly past and future. If the questions are based on these tenses, you are able to solve them. So it's over today. You should try the exercise that is given in your book and solve the example also and write them in your English notebook.